What does it mean to pay attention? In the human brain, it's a spotlight. But in the world of silicon and code, it's a mathematical operation that changed everything. Take a simple sentence. The cat sat on the mat because it was tired. When you read the word it, your brain instantly locks onto the cat. It's obvious to you. But for a machine, this is a high-stakes detective mystery. Before the transformer, AI looked at language through a keyhole. Recurrent neural networks, or RNNs, processed words one by one, like a conveyor belt. But there was a fatal flaw: memory decay. By the time the model reached the word it at the end of a long sentence, the memory of the cat at the beginning had already vanished into the noise. We needed a way for every word to see every other word simultaneously. But machines don't speak English, they speak math. To a neural network, every word is a vector, a coordinate in a massive high-dimensional space. In this geometry of meaning, words with similar vibes live near each other. Through linear algebra, we can actually calculate relationships. King minus man plus woman equals queen. This is the foundation, language as a map. To solve the mystery of context, every word is given three tools: a query, a key, and a value. Think of it like a library search. The query is the question the word is asking. The key is the label on every other word in the sentence. And the value, that's the actual information a word shares once a match is found. This is the heartbeat of the modern world, the scaled dot product attention formula. First, we take the dot product of Q and K to find raw similarity. We scale it down by the square root of the dimension to keep the math stable. Then, we pass it through a softmax filter to turn those scores into percentages. Finally, we multiply by V. The result? A new context-aware version of the word. Let's look at the Softmax Spotlight. The model calculates raw scores for every word. For our word it, the cat gets a high score of 2.1, while on gets a negative 0.5. But we can't use these raw numbers. We exponentiate them, sum them up, and divide. This forces the model to choose. It creates a probability distribution where all attention must sum to exactly 100%. The highest score wins the spotlight. Step 1. We raise the mathematical constant e to the power of each raw score. This is where the spotlight effect truly begins. Watch how the gap widens. E to the power of 2.1 gives our frontrunner, cat, a massive 8.17. Meanwhile, the lower scores, like the negative 0.5 for the word on, shrink into a tiny 0.61. By using exponentials, we ensure every value is positive, and the leaders truly stand out. Next, we add all those exponentiated values together, 8.17 plus 1.35, and so on. This gives us a total of 17.28. In the language of math, this is our denominator. It represents the total attention budget available for this entire sentence. To finalize the weights, we divide each value by our total. For cat, we take 8.17 and divide it by 17.28. resulting in 0.47. Notice the mathematical guarantee. When you sum these final weights, they equal exactly 1.00. We have successfully transformed raw scores into a perfect 100% attention budget. Looking at the final bar chart, the result is undeniable. Our Amnesiac word "it" is now paying 47% of its attention to cat and 35% to "the." The ambiguity is gone. Through the lens of the Softmax Spotlight, the model has mathematically decided exactly where to look. But language is complex. A word might need to understand grammar, rhyme, and meaning all at once. That's why we use multi-head attention. Instead of one spotlight, we have 8 or 16 running in parallel. One head focuses on the subject, another on the tense, another on the pronoun. They all process the sentence from different perspectives before merging their findings back together. There's one problem. Attention is order blind. To a transformer, dog bites man and man bites dog look identical because it sees all words at once. To fix this, we inject a positional encoding, a unique mathematical fingerprint based on sine and cosine waves. It's like a clock that tells the model exactly where each word is standing in the line. Finally, we stack these layers. A single layer is smart, but a stack of 96, the scale of models like GPT-4, is transformative. Each layer builds a more abstract understanding, moving from simple letters to complex logic and reasoning. With billions or even trillions of parameters, the model isn't just predicting the next word, it's simulating the structure of human thought. From a simple dot product to the birth of generative AI. In 2017, a paper titled "Attention is All You Need" changed the world forever. It proved that by simply learning where to look, a machine could finally start to understand us. Because in math, as in life, meaning isn't found in a single word. It's found in the relationships between them.